Welcome to a sneak peek of OrCAD X 25.1, the platform designed to bring powerful analysis directly into your layout environment. Let's start with topology exploration. Go beyond ideal signal forms. Extract any signal directly from your layout to see how it truly behaves. We'll guide you through the setting up models and selecting your net. In just a few clicks, you can visualize the entire topology and generate detailed waveforms and eye diagrams to ensure your designs perform exactly as intended. With our integrated impedance analysis, you can instantly see impedance values across your entire board. The workflow is simple. Select your nets, run the analysis, and immediately see a color-coded overlay right on your design. Isolate problem areas with detailed tables, then use the built-in editing tools to fix them on the spot. Find the issue, make the change, and rerun the analysis. It's that fast. Worried about crosstalk? Our coupling analysis gives you a quick and powerful way to identify tightly coupled traces that could cause interference, without the complex setup of a full crosstalk simulation. Stop guessing and start knowing. Explore the power of OrCAD X today. Visit our website to learn more.